Okay, today we're going to steam a golden pomfret. This is a very delicious dish. When you buy the fish from the grocery store, the fishmonger usually would clean it very thoroughly, but clean it again when you get home. And pat dry it, and cut a few slits on the back of the fish. And be careful here, you might want to put it on the cutting board. Cut the slit on both sides, and pat dry it again. Make sure you don't forget the inside of the fish. Now, let's get some salt ready. You want to put a little bit of salt on the slit you just cut. This will be easier for the fish to absorb the flavor. This is just the base flavor. Don't forget the inside as well. Make sure you do this on both sides. Now let's get some ginger ready. Peel the ginger to avoid the brown spot. And wash some jalapeno and then green onion. Jalapeno and green onion are garnish, so let's make sure we clean it very, very thoroughly. Slice ginger and then shred it and then dice this and set it aside. And do the same thing with the green onion and the jalapeno. Kind of cut it to the same size just for the look of it. For jalapeno, some jalapeno can be pretty spicy, so make sure you cut around the seed. This way you don't touch the seed. And shred it real thin first and dice it and set this aside. Now, fermented black bean, you can find this in a lot of grocery stores. This is very unique and it's almost mandatory for this dish. This one has very unique flavor, but cut it to small 4 pieces for the flavor to release easily. Bring the water to a boiling, then put the fish on the steamer. Depends on the size of the fish. You want to steam it for about 12 to 15 minutes. Now let's get some hondashi ready. This is a Japanese flavor enhancer. Now add some soy sauce, some sugar, and oyster sauce in there. And don't forget the Chinese rice wine. And this is pickled red chili sauce, and also the Chinese rice vinegar. This sauce would add to the flavor later. Once the fish is done, let's start some hot oil. You do want to heat up this one thoroughly. Now add the ginger in there. Once the ginger starts to have this aroma out, put the black bean sauce in there, and you can smell the jammy taste. Now put the sauce in there and mix it together, and also the sauce come out from the fish. Put that in the wok as well. Once these things start to thicken, pour this on top of the fish. Now the fish would have all the rich flavor. Add the garnish on top, the jalapeno and the green onion. Put it on top of the fish. Now start some hot oil again. So you want to bring this oil to over 200 Celsius, especially when it's peanut oil. Pour the hot oil on top of the garnish. Now enjoy this steamed golden pomfret.